know. I love it.
What do you think you got from that one?
They're probably fairly close. I think they're both Vanguard V twins.
He's recording us.
I knew he was doing that.
Who is?
I was like,
Woo! Oh!
Slow down.
I was waiting for that. I got it on video too!
well, let me see
I
that
got
shit.
it! No, not yet.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Dude, did you hear those
Done.
tires squeal though? On the
Done,
dirt!
though. It's done.
I know. Ooh, that's crazy.
Where's the ambulance people at?
No, he's good. Oh, dude, that was Jerry! Whoa!
Right?
What?
It's not gonna pop out or anything.
What?
Your window.
No, it's good. It can take a big fat ass. What's that?
At work, you was talking how